Hi guys, this is a detailed review for DURATECH 5 pieces pliers set. I received this as evaluation set from the vendor DURATECH, but I will share my independent and honest opinion with you. And here's the box. You can see there are 5 pieces pliers listed on the package. It's made in China. Let's open the package to see what's included. Let's pull everything out one by one. I want to highlight the package quality. This is a very hardboard on the corner. It's actually protect the whole piece. And let's pull out of the package. Here's everything on the table. The first is one-page little thank you notes, and this is a product brochure. It's including not the pliers, but also other awesome set. The first is the cutting tools, diagonal cutting tools. It's about a 6-inch. The second is long nose pliers, very good 6-inch long and very good quality. The third one is the slip joint pliers. The non-slippery grip is very comfortable. Number 4 is the Linesman pliers. This is very traditional, pretty long. It's about 8.5-inch. And this is my favorite. This is groover joint pliers. There's 5 different positions. You can adjust it. I really like the 45-degree angle. Very comfortable. It's a chromo-nickel material. It's about a 7.5-inch. Each one weighted about 5.5 ounce to all the way to 7.5 ounce, or this one even about a 9.4 ounce. The heaviest one is the Linesman pliers. It's about a 15 ounce. And this is the storage bag. Very nice actually. I really like the color pattern, black and blue, and all the stitches is well made. You can put everything on. This is not only for storage but also like a carry-on case. You can put everything together. Very convenient. I really like this. It's about 10.5-inch long. Overall it's about a 50-ounce weight. Here's the cutting tools. Diagonal cutting tools is no problem. There's the steel. This is a pretty hard steel. You can see the cutting is very clean. This is a little wood rod. See, it's cut no problem. This is the long nose. So long nose has a very flat joint, very smooth. You can do with very elegant, agile movement from the long nose. And it also has a cutting slot. You can cut the wire, very clean cut. And also you can cut in those hard steel, no problem. This is really surprised me. And the long nose can even cut those wooden sticks, no problem. And this one is a Linesman pliers. Oh, very easy, just like a cut a cheese of those steel rod. Very clean cut, it's effortless cutting, and you can see very flat joint and cutting the wire. And this is the actual usage when I tighten knots. Very smooth. You can feel the good quality. And here's the slip joint pliers, no problem to make the flex knot headset. Feel the friction. Non-friction slip, very good. And also I can adjust the angle with the slip joint pliers. I can make it a wider open. Now I can fix the hexing nuts. And this is my favorite groover joint pliers. I can make a bigger one just using the number 5 position. This is really the biggest one I can ever have when we do the plumbing job. This is pretty easy to get the job. This is the most one. Without this, I really have to use the widest position of a groover joint pliers. It can easily get the job done. One minor thing, which is if you look at the teeth, when you tighten it up, the teeth does not fully close. This is a minor thing, but for this overall tool, very durable. It's a chromo-nickel material. It's built for last. Overall, I really like this tool. It's a good combination. This is all you need. They built for last. I really like it. I'll give it 5 stars. Thank you.